It is the Delhi police's big charge on the 2020 Delhi riots accused. As the hearing is ongoing in the Supreme Court, the Additional Solicitor General appearing for the police says refers to Sharjeel Imam's speeches and says the lead member of this conspiracy was Sharjeel Imam. He in fact quoted one of Sharjeel's speeches saying this is not a protest, it was a violent protest to separate Assam from India. While the court has questioned the ASG's argument, saying that I don't think Sharjeel Imam's speech mentioned violence at all, the ASG on behalf of the police saying that Sharjeel Imam's speech was talking about cutting off the chicken neck portion that connects the northeast to India from the mainland India, that it was trying to provoke Muslims, and that Sharjeel Imam's speeches had was aimed at a regime change in the country. Srishti Ojha is joining me on this story. Srishti, the police once again saying that bail should not be granted to these people because this was not a spontaneous riot, it was a planned attempt against Indian sovereignty. Srishti.
Well, yes, Anisha, as we know, Delhi police since the beginning has maintained that the 2020 Delhi riots were not a case of a spontaneous simple protest, but instead it was a well-orchestrated, well-planned, violent protest. Today, again, we have seen a Delhi police lawyer play the speeches, a compilation of all the speeches which are part of their charge sheet, speeches given by Sharjeel Imam back in 2020 and 2019, which according to the Delhi police were instigating, the idea of those were inflammatory speeches, and the idea was to instigate the Muslims to basically further their own cause. The ASG has said that these speeches clearly show that it was not a simple protest, it was a violent protest, and the idea, the ultimate aim of the riots was a regime change. He also pointed out that it was not a coincidence that the protests happened at the same incidents that happened at the same time that Donald Trump had visited India. The idea was to get international attention. The idea was not just to economically strangle Delhi and Assam, but also to deprive people in Delhi of essentials. It was planned and also synchronized with the visit of US President, and it was not just a mere coincidence. Not just that, we're seeing a big statement coming right now from the Delhi police lawyer saying that intellectuals, when they become terrorists, are more harmful than ground-level terrorists.